Hello and welcome. This is Dee from Crystal Crafts with Dee. Thank you very much for joining me today. These will be the next projects that I will be working on. They are both from One Day Saving, and I will start off with probably this one first. So this is a gorgeous flower mandala. It is a 30 by 30 centimeter partial. It has 7 different drills in it, and I love the whole composition of this, and I love the colors. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. This has been sitting under books for about a month, and it still has some creases in there. It's sort of more easier to see on the back, but anyway, I'm not concerned about that. I'm ready and raring to go. I want to get started on it. So anyway, I will zoom you in so you can have a closer look at that drill field. So in we go. You can see that is beautifully printed. I just love the colors. I think it's so pretty. And I love how it's got this sort of, the petals of a flower sort of going around the edges there. I just love it. It's got 2 symbol keys, one on each side. So I'll bring you over to this one here. It's pretty tiny, but I think it's self-explanatory with those symbols. I don't think there's any issues at all there. But that looks really, really good. I like how it's a manageable size, so 30 by 30 is a really good size. Doesn't take too long, but it's enough to keep you busy for a while. Alright, I'll zoom you back out again, so out we go. We'll have a quick look at those drills. They are rhinestones and special shaped drills. I'm just double checking. Yep, 7 colors. So you have these beautiful green rhinestones. I love this blue. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the shine on those drills. Got some absolutely gorgeous pink marquees. The backs of those look really, really good. Got some gorgeous faceted teardrops. Some frosted blue teardrops with AB coating. Some larger green rounds and some frosted blue AB rounds. So those drills look really, really good. And I just love the fact how they're all sort of greens and blues, and then you got this pop of color of the pink. I think it'll look absolutely amazing. So I'll be working on that one, and then I will also be working on this one here. So I've had this one for a little while. I unboxed it on my channel a few months ago, and I've just been really wanting to get stuck into it. This is a gorgeous mandala coaster, and I've done a couple of these before, and I just love them. I think they're good fun, and they look amazing when they're finished. This one here is on wood, and it's quite thick. And you can see there from the drill field, it looks really, really good. There's a lot going on there, a lot of drills. I think it looks so pretty. Nice and clear, easy to see. Gorgeous. So the drills, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors. And I'll start with the pink rhinestones first. Got some black. Some blue rhinestones. Again, they're looking really good. It's gorgeous purple and clear. So really pretty colors. Those 2 colors together look so good. You got this gorgeous pink kind of highlighted. That's going to look amazing. So there you go. I will be working on this gorgeous coaster and this beautiful mandala, flower mandala diamond painting. I'm going to get started on these guys pretty quick, and I will come back to you with my review if I had any issues on them, what I liked, what I didn't like, that sort of thing. So I'm going to get started on these guys, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so all finished. I think this turned out absolutely amazing. I really love the design of this mandala. I love how you've got these beautiful petals going around, that floral design. Got these gorgeous colors in there. There's only 3 colors. You've got pink, blue, and green, and they work absolutely beautifully together. And you've got the sort of different the sizes. marquees, teardrops, and rounds, and they all work really, really well. The drills were really good quality, nice and shiny, and it was nice and sticky as well. I'll zoom you in so you can have a closer look. So in we go. And you can see there how beautiful and shiny they are. But I just love the pattern. Really pretty pattern, simple design, but the colors are very effective. Really pretty. And there's a couple little interesting things I noticed as I was going around placing my drills. So you've got these sections here where there's two lines. And then you've got this bit here where you've got this, where am I? This little drill sort of poking up there. And it's not there in the other spots, which I thought was interesting. You can't tell when you're sort of looking at it from a distance. And the other one was you've got these two lines, and then I came around to this one and I was like, oh, there's only one line. Just interesting. It doesn't detract from the design because you don't notice unless you're looking for it, but I just thought that was interesting. I love the colors, how they work together. I would have loved to have seen these pink bits here that they've printed. They would have looked awesome with the rhinestones in pink being placed there, but you know, that's just an added bonus it would have been, but it doesn't detract from it at all. It looks absolutely amazing just like that. So absolutely love how this turned out. I will zoom you out. Out we go. Okay, and we'll have a look at those drills. Leftover drills, I just worked straight out of the bags. And there was plenty left over, lots and lots left over. They were really, really good quality drills. I had very little rejects. The rhinestones, however, there was a couple of scratched ones, but that's not unusual. And there's only a couple, so there wasn't that many. And you can see there was heaps left over. They were all in really, really good condition. So that is my beautiful mandala. How pretty is that? I think it's so pretty and such a simple design, but it's so gorgeous. I really love that. And the second project that I worked on was this gorgeous coaster. Didn't it come up absolutely gorgeous? Again, another simple design, but the colors make it look so good. Nice and effective. Just your basic crystal rhinestones, and they look amazing. It was nice and sticky, printed very well, very easy little project to do. This makes a great little present for somebody. Either do it up and give it to them or let them do it themselves. Absolutely fantastic gift. Nice little traveling project as well. So I love how that's come out. And that is ready to go. I just need to seal this first. So because it's going to be out in the open, it's going to get dust and fluff in those little gaps. And you're going to be putting cups on it and stuff like that. It does need some protection. So I will seal this with one coat of my sealant. And I use this stuff here, Mod Podge Super Gloss. I absolutely love this stuff. I put it on everything, all my diamond paintings. And you only need one coat. It's nice and sparkly. And a little goes a long way. But I really love this stuff. Been using it for several years now. So that'll have one coat on there, and that'll be ready and raring to go. And it can be a coaster, you know, you can put your drinks on it, you can put your little tea light candles on it, you can do whatever you want, or you can you can hang it up if you want, you can have like a little plate stand and sit it in the plate stand and have it displayed like that. Lots of different options. But I think that turned out amazing. I love the colors, and the drills were really good quality, and I had lots of drills left over on that one. So beautiful. So we have two absolutely gorgeous projects from One Day Saving, and they turned out amazing. Absolutely love them. I will put links to these guys in the description box below. I'd like to thank One Day Saving very much for sending these out to me for review. I absolutely love them. I think they're just gorgeous, and the quality was excellent. So thank you so much, One Day Saving, and thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time.